I'm now going to plot these probability estimates on a graph using a library called matplotlib. This is a third-party library that you already have to have installed. This is just really just for fun and some visualization, just to add something extra here. I will go deeper into third-party libraries in the module on modules, but for now, I'm not going to explain any of this code. I'm just going to run it, and then we'll just look at the results. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use the function we just created to estimate probabilities for many different group sizes. So from 1 to 40 in this case. I'm going to do 10,000 simulations. So each group will be simulated 10,000 times. That'll get a probability. I'm going to call this y. So to think in terms of a graph x coordinates and y coordinates for a second. The x will just be the group size, so from 1 to 40. So let me run this. Notice it will take some time. You see the star over here because I'm doing everything 10,000 times, every group 10,000 times. And each group I have to generate all these birthdays. So this is actually a lot of computational power that is happening. This code over here, it just plots the probabilities x comma y like this and just add some labels. That's all this is doing over here. And as you can see here, that here's the probability on the left side, here's the group size on the x-axis, and then the title of the graph over here. So when the group size is small, so at 10, the probability looks to be close to maybe 15% or so. When it gets to 20, it gets closer to 50%. 23 is where it's theoretically right at 50%, so right around here. 30, as you can see, is close to 70%, and 40 is around 90%. So that's just to showcase some extra tools for data visualization. This is not part of the fundamentals of Python, of course, just something to look forward to extra if you choose to go into the data analysis or data visualization direction.